Greetings and hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to start a new series of tutorials, and I'm going to name it as Tutorial for It. And now this specialty of this series is that we will learn how to make some visual effects in Adobe Photoshop using 4 types of variations. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to make a tutorial on flame effect. Okay, so let's start. Click on file, click on new, and rename the file name as flame. Okay, we have renamed. Now click OK. Okay, so let's write our text, and note that our font text is bell empty bolded and our font size is 100. Okay, so I have written my text. So let's click on move tool, and you can see that we can move our text. So let's flatten it by going to layer and then flatten image. Okay, we have flattened it. So our first variation is here. Number 1, go to filter, stylize, and then diffuse. Okay, we have to make darken only. Okay, we have made. So you can see some variations. It's looking like furry type. Okay, so let's switch over to our second variation, which is we have to use one hazy effect. So click on filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. We will keep the default radius as 2.0 pixels. Click on OK. So it's quite hazy. Now our third variation is filter, distort, ripple, and this is where we are making the sparks of the flames. Okay, so click on ripple, and I'm going to size it as medium, and I will change the amount to something like 300 or 236. Okay, so click on OK, and you can see our text is like a flamey structure. Okay, so let's do some minor variation, which is I'm not adding to my variation steps. So this is called the indexed color mode. You click on index color by going to image mode, index color, click on OK. Okay, so now our last variation is image mode color table, and click on color table. Okay, so this will add our flamey structure. Okay, click on black body. So we have clicked OK, and we have got our flame effect using our 4 variations. Okay, so we have completed up to this. So thank you for watching. Hope you like the video. So please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.